Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Your dream French country escape. A walk through soft florals and creamy walls. Ever dream of a house that feels like a permanent sigh of relief? That's the magic of French country style, especially when you weave in the softest floral whispers. Imagine it: gentle lavender blooms, quiet sage leaves, and creamy vanilla backgrounds, all tied together with a wink of pale butter yellow. To ground those dreamy wallpapers, we'll paint the other walls in a perfectly creamy matte, like Benjamin Moore's Swiss coffee, which is basically a hug for your walls. This isn't about formal perfection, but a collected sun-drenched ease. So grab a cup of tea, and let's wander through this floral-scented daydream together, room by cozy room. First impressions matter, and ours says bienvenue with warm weathered charm. Picture a stone or stucco exterior in a soft sand or cream hue, with sage green shutters framing the windows. Climbing Pierre de Ronsard roses in pale pink and cream scramble up a timber pergola by the front door. In terracotta pots, lavender and rosemary spill over, scenting the air with every breeze. The garden path is lined with loose, billowing plantings of catmint and cream-colored dahlias. It's not overly manicured, but abundantly welcoming, promising relaxation within. Step inside, and you're immediately wrapped in that creamy Swiss coffee warmth on the walls. For a stunning first act, paper the back of your open shelving unit or a small accent wall in a delicate floral print featuring our soft lavender and sage. A rustic wood console table, maybe in a chipped olive paint, holds a simple ceramic pitcher brimming with fresh-cut hydrangeas. Underfoot, classic terracotta tiles or a worn oriental rug in muted tones adds earthiness. A weathered mirror with a gilded sun-bleached frame reflects the light, making the space feel bright and open from the moment you arrive. This is the heart of the home, where comfort reigns supreme. Two walls stay in that serene matte cream, letting one feature wall sing with a large-scale floral wallpaper in our full-color story: lavender, sage, cream, and that hint of buttery yellow. Sink into an oversized, linen-covered sofa in sage or cream, piled with textural pillows in stripes, toile, and those floral colors. A time-worn oak coffee table anchors the room, holding stacks of books and a tray for your wine glass. Natural light filters through linen curtains, and a painted wooden armchair with a faded floral cushion invites you to curl up and read. Here is your sanctuary, designed for deep sleep and sweet dreams. Let the wallpaper take center stage here, perhaps a trailing vine pattern in soft lavender and sage on a cream ground. The bed, an upholstered beauty in creamy linen or a painted iron frame, is dressed in layers of natural textiles. A butter yellow quilt at the foot, crisp white sheets, and a sage green knit throw. Wicker bedside tables add rustic texture, topped with simple ceramic lamps. A vintage Persian rug in faded reds and blues adds a surprising, collected touch underfoot. The overall feel is cloud-like, peaceful, and utterly romantic. This space is for long, laughter-filled meals that stretch into the evening. If the room is small, consider papering just the upper half of the wall with a chair rail, in a charming small-scale floral or a simple trellis pattern. The lower half remains in our trusty creamy matte. A substantial farmhouse table, marked by years of family life, is surrounded by mismatched painted chairs in sage, cream, and lavender. Overhead, a simple iron chandelier with candle-style bulbs casts a soft glow. A large, rustic armoire stores dishes, and a sideboard displays your favorite white ceramics and a picture of fresh garden clippings. Forget sterile and sleek. Here we want rustic warmth and patina. Cabinets are painted in a gentle sage green or cream with antique brass pulls. Open shelving displays creamy stoneware and wooden bowls. The backsplash could be classic white subway tile or hand-painted Moroccan tiles that subtly echo our lavender and yellow hues. Butcher block countertops and a farmhouse sink add practicality. For a touch of pattern, Consider a delicate floral wallpaper on the ceiling of a breakfast nook or in the pantry. The room smells like fresh herbs and baked bread, feeling both timeless and thoroughly lived in. Even the bathroom gets the romantic treatment, feeling like a tucked-away spa. Picture beadboard wainscoting painted in creamy Swiss coffee, with a gorgeous floral paper above it featuring lavender sprigs and sage leaves. A vintage-style vanity in pale butter yellow or chipped white provides charming storage. The tub, preferably clawfoot, is the star. Add a rustic wooden tray across it for bath salts and a candle. Plush towels and sage and cream hang from a simple iron rail, and a worn pretty rug saves your feet from cold floors. It's a small, fragrant oasis that makes everyday routines feel special.